Now, incessant rainfall has triggered massive flood-like situation in Uttar Pradesh. At least 16 districts are reeling under floods, submerging villages, destroying thousands of acres of crop. In fact, India Today's Ashutosh Mishra filed his ground report from Lakhimpur Kheri.
Of the 16 districts devastated by floods in Uttar Pradesh, Lakhimpur district has been hit the hardest.
Lakhimpur district is the most severely affected due to heavy flood and the river flow of Ghagra. It was so grave that there was massive erosion reported in across this area. This is Bachapera village in remote parts of Lakhimpur districts, and now it explains how this taken away a large part of this village. So where at the moment I'm standing, this entire area, there is a massive evidence of this erosion triggered by the river flow of Ghagra. Mainly the water which is coming from these different rivers arriving from Nepal has triggered massive flood situation. So that explains how a large part of the village was taken away by this river flow.
These images reflect the ravage that rain-fed rivers have caused in eastern Uttar Pradesh for the past 1 month. When India Today reached this remote village in Lakhimpur Kheri district, the ordeal that these villagers were going through was painfully visible.
Every penny they earn by their hard-earned money, with their sweat and blood, these poor workers build up this house. And now they are breaking their own houses. Well, the reason is flood here in the district of Lakhimpur. Why? There's a massive flow of river Ghagra, which triggered erosion in this huge part. In fact, a large part of this village was taken away by this river. And now they fear that whatever remaining structure is left in this village will be further taken away by the river. And perhaps why these poor workers and laborers are breaking up their own houses to save bricks. Each brick costs 6 to 7 rupees. And now to build a further house, they don't have money.
तोड़ असर बजा नदी कट रही है बाढ़ की वजह से तोड़ रहे हैं।
कितने सारे घर थे जो गए पानी में?
20-25 घर थे,
चले गए बाढ़ में चले गए। खाना पीना मिला था? आप लोग अनाज आया था कुछ?
5 किलो चावल मिले, 1 किलो दाल मिली है और या बोरिया है लैया मिली है। हाँ, यहाँ सर नहीं रह मिलेगा, यहाँ जान का खतरा है। चले जाएंगे, डूब जाएंगे, क्या करेंगे? तो यहाँ से ईंट उठा कर ले जाएंगे तो कहीं लगा लेंगे तो कहीं रहेंगे रोड के दांती में।
The extent of soil erosion was so much that a huge part of the village was completely submerged.
I'm here taking a little risk to bring you a live erosion scene from this area. This is how in last 1 month the stretch of Ghagra has taken away a large part of this village. Look at this. This is what has happened in last 1 month. The water flow was too heavy that entire be the agricultural land or the houses were completely collapsed in this part of Lakhimpur Kheri district.
More than 20 houses had disappeared.
इसको रोकने के लिए क्या-क्या कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
2 दिन पहले परसों मुझे बताया है। ठीक, परसों मुझे बताया, जैसे बताया मैं तुरंत 2 घंटे के अंदर यहाँ पहुँच गया। ये फ्लड जोन में है ये लोग, तो इनको पहले ही बता देना चाहिए था। ये तोड़ने
लोगों ने पहले जानकारी नहीं दी। तो हर साल ऐसा ही होता है या इस साल ज्यादा हालत खराब हुई है?
इस साल हुआ है।
With nothing left, villagers had no option but to migrate to a safer place.
गरीब आदमी रहा है, कोई मोट आदमी नहीं रहा। तुम्हार हमारे क्या खाईते रहा, अपनी खेती से करी दिखाईते रहा, सब खेती हमारी नापते हुई गई। एक दिन का ना फसल है ना एक कुछ है, कैसे अपने बच्चा जीवे, कैसे अपनी जिंदगी काटना, ना कोई एक विश्व जगह है जो मड़ैया रख ली।
The river flow of Ghagra taken away a huge part of not only the agricultural land but many houses along with it. People are now forced to leave this area with whatever left at this house, including structure and the bricks. This entire village is now at the edge of erosion. However, the other side, that's quite safer. But in this part, most of them either vacated or ready to displace themselves. Now the biggest challenge comes here, when to erect another house and find a source of survival, income and livelihood. This is how life at ground zero in Lakhimpur is. Bringing you this ground report from this village with Satya, this is Ashutosh Mishra reporting for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.